Manipur University community welcomes dismissal of Professor A.P. Pandey from the post of Vice Chancellor of Manipur University by President Kovind on MHRD's recommendation. CPI launches month-long mass campaign against Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led NDA government for allegedly challenging democracy, secularism and the country's constitution. IPR Minister Thongam Biswajit assures to take measures to revive State Institute of Journalism at the IPR complex. Moirangkhom once state's financial situation improves. Art and Culture Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar opens 40th Archives Week celebration at Gandhi Memorial Hall. And girl student of Remnant Christian School allegedly threatened by one inspection team of HSLC examination 2020 on suspicion of impersonation lays unconsciousness at RIPS. Good evening and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangjum bringing you the top stories. Manipur University community has expressed happiness over the dismissal of Professor A.P. Pandey from the post of Vice Chancellor of Manipur University by President Ramnath Kovind, acting on Human Resource Development Ministry's recommendation. Manipur University Teachers Association, Manipur University Staff Association and Manipur University Student Union convened an emergency meeting at Muta office in Manipur University complex today over the dismissal. Mota President Professor M. Ranjit, Musa President S. Jibon, Musu former President M. Dayananda, former General Secretary Laishram Kennedy and many people attended the meet. Attendees expressed gratitude to civil society organizations, Maira Paibi associations, student unions, Governor of Manipur, High Court of Manipur, state government and the Human Resource Development Ministry for their efforts in ousting A.P. Pandey. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, Muta General Secretary Professor Lisam Sanjukumar said, removal of Professor A.P. Pandey is similar to taking out dirt from the university. He thanked all those who have supported the movement initiated by Manipur University community. Sanju Kumar assured that the community will continue to strive for a corrupt-free university.
Nui tat bangamoy kholoi kaina khoi da thidin trok pokhot pa ri haiba koi puning da handaningai oiba masai am harap admaina politically am connected oiba am influential oiba mi amabu koi Manipur University gi magi mot pa agi magi maran dagi tanthop ngamba se morom de am nungai chokthongingai oja pandi bu tanthoiba maram se koi Manipur University am mo le sengdok ke na tawhibani pandi bu tanthok pa haiba se masi step amane se ma yam watli pandi tanthokre masina koi Manipur University sengdok pasi loidri mathang am tawgini haitare Manipur University se masida khara mo level leidiba singa se koi yaringai sengdoga academic ta yamna phajna chathaba aduma institute ama oinaba na mutagi dagi sat organization adgi
CPI today launched its month-long mass campaign against Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led NDA government for allegedly challenging the ideals of democracy and secularism and the country's constitution. Speaking at the launching event held at Irabat Bhavan, CPI Manipur State Council State Secretary L. Sotin Kumar said, second term of Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led government is advancing in more dreadful manner than its first term. He said demand for revocation of Citizenship Amendment Act will be the main theme of the campaign, which will be carried out in all the Valley Assembly segments of the state. L. Sotin Kumar said it is high time to challenge the NDA government for bringing unrest and disharmony in the country in a major way. He said CPI strongly condemns arrest and detention of anyone who raise voices against the government.
Pandey lokthokadabani haibase mass rally kya da saru yakhib simangnani mahakpu aroiba bichar amag loinana ngarang ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯍꯥꯛ ꯗꯤꯁꯃꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯥꯟ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯤꯁ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯅ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯂꯧꯅꯅꯕꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯗ ꯃꯔꯥꯜ ꯄꯤꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯄꯨ ꯂꯧꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯨꯕꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯕ ꯃꯍꯩ ꯑꯃꯅꯦꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯦꯂꯤꯒꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯆꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯀꯦꯝꯄꯦꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯛꯄꯒ ꯏꯔꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯆꯕ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯖꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯜꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯔꯕ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯛꯄ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯃꯅꯤꯁꯨ haina panjaribani.
Information and Public Relations Minister Thongam Biswajit has assured to revive the Lone State Institute of Journalism (SIJ) at Manipur at the IPR complex in Moirangkhom once the economic condition of the state improves. He said necessary staffs will be recruited, recognition from university will be acquired, and various courses will be open to produce efficient journalists. Speaking to Impact News at his quarter in Sanjinthong today, Minister Biswajit said that the institute will open with one-year diploma course on August 8, 2017 with an aim to produce competent journalists. He said SIJ fell short of criteria to acquire university recognition to open 1 year's course due to the state's financial condition. He said classes for short-term courses are still underway. Minister Biswajit assured that necessary teaching and non-teaching staffs will be recruited and infrastructure of the institution will be renovated in the near future as soon as the state financial situation improves this year.
Budget ki kari kari akhoi na tai chadaba khotaba le rakpasina maram munani yembiro akhoi ngasi mo puthoi posiju deficit budget ne habi pochi mayam na express taw loi honorable cm or anybody aduna akhoi shortfall sarkar gi makai dadi leiti habadi leiti ai dum accept tawi lei tawda akhoi nang pangthok pangam da once it has been started natra so we have to continue obviously adu continue taw tamni will continue aduna akhoi kitang hojiki fund constraint oiba aduga akhoi tawum thokpa tawbangam da sina akhoi kanoni.
Responding to Impact News query about the substandard black topping of Mayai Lambi from Wangoi till Thiam Laisangkhong by some unauthorized subcontractor without necessary approval from department and company concerned, Minister Biswajit also assured to personally inspect the road after the ongoing assembly session. He assured of taking stern actions against any perpetrators. Minister Biswajit also disclosed that a meeting of companies, agencies and department officials involved in road constructions will be held on February 28. He assured to instruct them to complete the ongoing constructions with quality at the earliest.
I assembly loibang ai bani up to 28 take it before auction festival like I said kani other lana torome halani lana toromdre han tawdaba mina chumna torome ha ka unauthorized or phadana toromadi migi phabado dum legislation because manam de koina weather man report torome toromdre hai ponatna koina check tawbom de kalaidina check tawbom matam de na tai cha da report di chadana dum lerangane chadana lerang potu mana mantra chola kana cha hai biam te adu dum hanja chanu ka doroge masagi self style torome self style dum mangje rasanu ka doroge.
Art and Culture Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar launched the 14th Archives Week celebration at Gandhi Memorial Hall today. Manipur State Archives Art and Culture Department organized the event. Speaking on the occasion, Minister L. Jayantakumar said Manipur State Archives play a significant role in preserving the heritage and history of Manipur. He lamented that revamping of the state's archives is still pending due to low budget allocated to Art and Culture Department. Art and Culture Commissioner M. Joy, Art and Culture Director N.G. Uttam and leaders of various civil society organizations attended the event.
Proposed budgetary provisions totally was last time. The Matu Kanaka on the Chief Minister State acute financial constraint, but art and culture is something. I say, when you apply the law, you have to click in Hibisi. Mayam, question lady, art and culture, now to the department, you manipulate the people on art and culture, importance, significance, Mayam. Holding, message the
Representative of Naga People's Front NPF Kam Fungyar MLA K. Laishio has received the prestigious Adarsh Yuva Vidyayak Samman Award. The award was conferred upon MLA K. Laishio, Shiv Sena MLA Maharashtra Udit Samand, Aam Aadmi Party MLA Punjab Baljinder Kaur on the second day of the ongoing 10th Annual National Conclave of Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad at Vigyan Bhavan in New Delhi. The 4-day conference began at February 28. Members of Southern Tangkhul Students' Union, NPF, Youth Wing, Lantunching Students' Union and people of Pungyar accorded a warm welcome to MLA K. Laishio upon his arrival at Imphal International Airport today. Speaking on the sidelines, MLA Laishio said the award was conferred upon him as an acknowledgement for his tremendous contributions in encouraging the youths for parliamentary democracy and for initiating welfare activities for the people.
I want the Kalakpasina Karnorge, young ideal youth MLA have politics youth sing the government participate to Gadra Habsi, Sibu encouraged over Amadi Togat Piba Habsi, Moigi Tabakni, as in Moisi, Yam important over the Karno Amanisi, award Amani, Sigumasi Naba, Mam Hotnamsi, Yam Kanan in Kali. I'm very happy. I am no I asing I think those mean recognized the witness our period was yam no.
One inspection team of HSLC examination 2020 has allegedly threatened a girl student to unconsciousness. The student of Remnant Christian School who came to appear the Class 10 examination conducted by BOSIM at Praja High School Center yesterday is being hospitalized at RIMS Hospital and is reportedly still unconscious. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, a family member said inspection team called her outside examination hall, claiming that she looks different from the photo on her admit card. She also said the student was made to stay outside the exam hall for more than 1 hour without letting her write the exam. Family members have strongly condemned such interference given to students during examination on mere suspicion. They have already filed complaints at the court and the board and have appealed to authorities concerned to take necessary actions.
Mangarang exam 10 gi thabasida maje hujiki board sina maje emika se pai graga maje ma thariba maje candidate se manate atopa muhusilaga thabani khopane na maje puthoaga angjida nang mahusila thanbagi nang je jenda thamni khotne na angje thetan toba khopado khoi yam nungai jade angje hujik gyan ta dana hujik leire ngang khalakpane ba maje hujik tension ji am wang khakhidana hujik se gyan ta dana maje amuka pi mami amupa nge mu ngang ikai ba nang gi bado adui mata ai nungdi yam Maze Mahu Taramame Kalagazu, Mado, Pabio, Bakasu Gaidi Bokoi, it's I now or Gazu, who is supporto give a monetary, but Aduga Mona Pasana proved to later be done the Minato, but the Makita Hundring, they do not Topa sing the Zoch Minatori, but say Migi carrier sopa. Shira gave the Mala, but him told and Halaktan to Yaduna, Adumba Soibado, my dear Koyima Pima Pani, do not pass Naying Zella, Matunda Tohani.
8 students of EL Sism High School at Salem Vang in Churachandpur district were expelled from the ongoing Class 10 examination conducted by Board of Secondary Education Manipur, BOSIM, today. They were expelled on ground of producing fake admit cards. Upon investigations by the school managing board, it was found that headmaster of EL Sism High School, M. Ranjit, was responsible for the same as he failed to submit the exam registration forms of the students to BOSIM on time and issued the fake admit cards. People have demanded termination of M. Ranjit from his post. Manipur Democratic Alliance (MDA) has welcomed government's plan to legalize cannabis cultivation in Manipur. Speaking to media at Babupara today, MDA convener cum Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit President M. Tombi said legalizing cannabis cultivation will provide an alternative source of livelihood for illegal poppy cultivators in hill areas. While MDA member cum President of People's Democratic Alliance, El Set appealed to the government to provide additional funds for carrying out developmental works in hilly constituencies as MLA Local Area Development Fund is not enough to carry out impactful works in the vast hilly areas.
नोमगी संग्रह याद्रो पोलम पुनमक्तु फंगननबगिदमक्ता पॉपी पाम्बी थारिबसे महुत सिल्लगा सेंदाल लंबी एमा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ना पीबगी वखललोंदा ngarang assembly da house ki leader honorable chief minister na cannabis aduga khoi ki ganja si legalization tongnu ba miyam ki cooperation ni buga loina na legalize tongnu ba honor ba sikumba honorable chief minister ki wakhalon meng step se Manipur democratic alliance na khoi support tawe
Jambak sidadi MLA singi local area development fund si chahi khuting gi lakpani na leirak makhai si na khoi black top do ekhoi ching dadi gram do bra herka cutting phobongam de MLA sing na sijin na ribasi sum yengba kanda asiana da donation da yam bachale jingmi athap pan basing leiba sing si inphal hai basi da normal phawa suklak lak da nishiki ba yam yo maram di lampi leite
Medical Society of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS held its 10th conference Mesocon 2020 today. The event was held on the topic Cancer Challenges and Had at RIMS Jubilee Hall. Speaking at the event, RIMS Director Professor A. Santa stressed on the need to carry out advanced researches at RIMS to include itself among the top medical institutes of the country. PG students who gave excellent presentations on the conference were felicitated at the event. A journal of RIMS Medical Society and souvenir of Mesocon 2020 were released on the occasion.
For ranking all India, I think research is a very, very important component of the medical institute. So all India institute, and then next the PGI is the highest, and next must be followed by GMR. So remaining other institutes are very, very far lacking. But in the Northeast, we have RIMS happen to be the one of them best now, and our ranking is on top in the Northeast as well as Eastern zone now. So, but then we have to go very, very far ahead now, and we have to compete with them. So ranking is very, very important, particularly in number of the publication and the research work what we are doing. So I hope that medical society as well as our medical education unit to organize the more of research methodology for the young faculty as well as for junior resident and senior resident.
Council of Teachers Association Kota continued their protest demanding rectification of revision of pay ROP 2019 unabated today. Teachers under the initiative of Kota carried out protest meet at Bishnupur ZDO office at around 11 a.m. today. Speaking to media, Kota convener C.H. Shantakumar said the protest meet was the 17th one carried out by teachers in both hills and valley regions under the initiative of Kota. He warned the government of intense agitations including mass court arrests and statewide total shutdown if their democratic agitation is ignored.
Sakargi thabak tawriba machinery amadi employee khudimak tolop siloi henganaba ngatane adubu oja singi mafam dadi sahi tara leraga pe amamlakpu matam sida oja singi di handaba grade thakta pibi ba bisi yamna nungaitaba amani amadi sakana oja singi mafam de yengba miengse aduge mati thamoi sui
ado koi sidin protest se loraba matungda koi rele hunger strike ki kongjang chingsilani adubu hariba rele hunger strike tarbu matam bhavdaga mena ikoden violation taroktraba adu oragade koi mass court arrest अरे फास्ट अंतु डेट की खोंजन चिंगसन गनी करिगुंबा फास्ट अंतु डेट की खोंजन चिंगसन लबो भावदा गवर्नमेंट न सिना इखोय ग वरी सानबा अमदे नेगोशिएशन टेबल लागद्रगदी मणिपुर पुंबगी शटडाउन पाउ संसन
Headmistress and School Management Committee of Lairanjam Primary School, Imphal West appealed to exclude the school from school amalgamation under School Bhagat Hansi mission. Speaking to media, School Headmistress Lairanjam Tarubi, a recipient of Global Teachers Award 2019, said the school provides education to children up to class 5, following every guidelines of the education department. She said majority of the students in the school belong to poor families from vicinity of the school.
macha mana mama da ima chakchagi harakpa matam aina pijage na thorang di tawraga tawholaro haibagi information ama lakpasida hatuki matik thawai di nuai ti hena
hojai khona hojik pamjabji Lairanjam primary school da education minister se minister he mari leina bai education mi punamak mafam jida lakpura anytime surprise visit oja dum tawiro akhoi maduda karimta singnaba leite akhoi angang jing jik like takpasi oja sing sathena ningan nai singba tension leba posi han han taw lebani akhoi da nuai taba phawje masi kohon bina bai nongta sarkar gi pungning du sida singsan jage.
Prescribed Kanglaipa Communist Party People's War Group has imposed indefinite curfew at Manipur People's Party MPP office. The outfit in a press release declared immediate ban on all financial transactions of MPP and demanded the party to elect its new president and office bearers to conclude the ongoing party conflicts at the earliest. And blockade of National Highways number 2 against provocative arrest of one NSC and IM cadre by 34th Assam Rifles has been relaxed following release of the arrested cadre. Earlier, women folks held placards and blocked the highway demanding immediate release of the cadre. Mob went rampage as it closed down all shops and business establishments in Senapati district headquarters areas and even vandalized army vehicles at Mayankhang village in the district. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on World Thinking Day 2020 observance in Manipur. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Prime Time English News. Manipur joined the world in observing World Thinking Day 2020 to celebrate International Friendships Today. Manipur State Bharat Scouts and Guides celebrated the day at State Training Center in Langol Game Village, June 1. Speaking on the occasion, State Secretary of Manipur State Bharat Scouts and Guides, T.H. Hiramani, said this year's World Thinking Day theme is diversity, equity and inclusion. He said the observance aimed to empower girls and enable them to fight against crimes carried out towards them. T.H. Hiramani added that the day also aimed to create a safe environment where all girls feel an equal sense of belonging. Moirang MLA and President of Manipur State Bharat Scouts and Guides P. Sarachandra and State Commissioner T.H. Ibo Pisak attended the event.
Manipur State Bharat Scouts and Guides 2007 dagi World Thinking Day si pangthokpa hawi World Association of Girls Association and Girl Guide na khoi gi prithibi da lairiba guide World Thinking Day si nupi macha singi da priority piraga pangthokpa thoramni masida khoi gi nupi macha singi phebam phagatnaba khoi gi like lasu skill development singba khoi gi intellectual gi idea me anji phagatnaba nupi macha sing chathariba crime sing masigi mayok naba ngamna dubagi theme da khoi maruena World Thinking Day si khoi khuni gi leptar pangthoi guide yauri ba nupi macha sing si khoi tongan ba lebak chindagi sakchu manada background manada magi skill manada color manada tongan ba mayam sina punsil laga khoi manada ba yanjir punsil laga da amatta oina khoi gi prithibida nupi macha singi phebam phagana ben da work sil lamjing makhada kholaw si launa bagi damakta khoi kumsi chahi gi World Thinking Day gi theme asi pangthok jaba.
Art and Culture Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar kicked off 3-day solo dance and music festival today. Eastern Zonal Cultural Center and Government Dance College jointly organized a festival at Government Dance College in Palace Compound. On the first day of the festival, Kolkata's Ivana Sarkar performed Manipuri Nartana Nalaya. Kolkata's Srijan Chatterjee performed Hindustani vocals. P. Ronita of Government Dance College presented songs and dance performances, while students of the college performed fusion music and dance piece titled Talgi Ithak Ipom Lakta. Art and Culture Commissioner M. Joint Director of EZCC Kolkata, Gauri Basu attended the inaugural event. One of the Manipur's oldest banks, Imphal Urban Cooperative Bank, might cease to exist due to prolonged internal conflicts. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, shareholder of the bank, Maibam Sunil, expressed apprehension over the same. He claimed that the bank opened many branches and served people across the state, and board members of the bank worked earnestly to maintain grade A before 2015. But the bank's grade has declined to grade D due to conflicts between the bank employees and board members. He alleged that some bank employees have filed repeated cases in the court against the board, causing the situation. Sunil appealed to the High Court of Manipur to take necessary actions in the upcoming court hearing of the bank on February 25th to revive the bank. President of High Power Committee of the bank, K. Sharat, and many people attended the press meet.
ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯐꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯊꯨꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯕꯦꯡ ꯃꯨꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯑꯔꯕꯥꯟ ꯀꯣꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯕꯦꯡ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯀꯣꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯕꯦꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯂꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯕꯦꯡ ꯑꯃꯅꯦꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯨꯊꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯄꯨꯗꯤ ꯁꯥꯍꯣꯜꯗꯔ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯇꯕꯨ ꯕꯣꯔꯗ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯚꯣꯠ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯒ ꯕꯣꯔꯗ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯒꯗꯕꯁꯦ ꯂꯩꯍꯟꯗꯕ ꯀꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯕ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯕꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯍꯤꯡꯅꯅꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯇ ꯖꯤꯕ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯗꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯕꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯃꯨꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯕꯤꯗꯥꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯐꯝꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ NGO ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯁ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯕꯦꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯕ꯭ꯂꯤꯁ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯪꯀ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯠꯄ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤ
Institute of Cooperative Management Imphal held a valedictory event of its 2-month incubation or the training of Idea Stage startup for Manipur State Batch 1 and 2 at ICM Hall in Lamphel today. Planning Department, Government of Manipur sponsored a training program. Speaking on the occasion, Director of Planning Department, Dr. Tej Munindro said, Government initiated startup scheme to facilitate means of livelihood to talented youths of the state. He said the Idea Stage training was carried out under the scheme. Dr. T.H. Munindro said over 600 people were trained under the startup scheme and many have started their business successfully. Director of Fisheries Department in Gojan, former Director of Institute of Cooperative Management Imphal, Dr. N. Ranjana and others attended the event.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯒꯅꯦꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡ ꯇꯧꯍꯜꯂꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯜꯗꯨꯗꯅ ꯅꯪ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯅ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯤꯌꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯅꯤꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯃꯦꯅꯦꯖꯃꯦꯟ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯗꯤꯁ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ICMꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯟꯁꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯆꯪꯒꯗꯕ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯄꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯈꯔꯅ ꯏꯂꯥꯕꯣꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯎꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯦꯟꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯨꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯣꯟꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯕꯦꯁꯤꯛ ꯅꯣꯂꯦꯖꯁꯦ ꯄꯤꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯟꯗꯦꯟꯁ ꯃꯄꯨꯡ ꯐꯥꯅ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯔꯁꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯒꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯁꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯅꯦ
3-month vocational training on tailoring and making bamboo products kicked off at Kwakta Santhong Makha Laikai in Bishnupur district today. Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur Bishnupur Unit, Nehru Yuva Kendra, NYK, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, Bishnupur district and Santhong Farmer Club jointly organized the program. Around 50 trainees are taking part in the program. Skill training program under Skill Council of India ASCI for small poultry farmers organized by KVK Chandal since January 24th and its training held at Mongsang Pantha village in Chandal district has concluded. District Veterinary Office Chandal Dr. R.D. Samari, KVK Chandal Senior Scientist and Head Dr. Deepak Singh, KVK Chandal Ecto Animal Science Dr. Ashim Amita and many eminent persons attended the valedictory event today. 20 people from Modi village, Chandal Christian, Natham, Liwa, Changning, Zapao and Machi in Chandal and Tainopal districts took part in the 25 days training. Poultry feed and medicines were distributed to the trainees at the event. Society for the Empowerment of Visually Impaired Manipur, also known as PAMIL, held its first Foundation Day celebration at Uripok Achom Laikai Community Hall today. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary of Spastic Society Manipur, Dr. Lashram Tokendra, alias Ricky, said it is high time to facilitate differently able persons, especially the visually impaired, in becoming productive members of the society. He appealed to support in reaching the sustainable goal.
India da sumaya ama changes maya mama lai akoi gi hak maya mama pire hana Rights of Person with Disabilities Act, Equal Opportunities, Protection of Rights and Full Participation akoi 1995 taga leram bache hojiki UNCRPD si lakpadagi di Rights of Person with Disabilities Act 2016 kaina laiba adagi hana leramba disability taret tagi disability makhan je kun mathoi ga laiba akoi gi disabled sing je leaving no one behind and akoi sustainable development goal ri yauri to akoi disabled sing jitu productive member oi tab ya de makoi tongana sothana le hobo ya de hai ba adu gumba ming yeng ama hojek akoi gi India da su last decade sida yam kanna changhalai.
Community Network of Empowerment, CON, in a press release, condoled the untimely demise of former district supervisor of CON, Palungbam Kennedy, who passed away at the age of 40 due to an illness on February 21st. 113 Battalion under the aegis of Sector Headquarter BSF CI Operations Manipur has organized free medical camp at Kangbai Block in Kangbai Village, Churchandpur. More than 300 individuals were checked up by a team of doctors, including lady doctors. Free medicines were distributed to patients and free HIV screening was also carried out at the medical camp. A new electric scooter showroom of Okinawa Autotech Private Limited was opened at Moirang, Thamnapokpi in Manipur, Bishnupur district today. BR Motors opened a showroom under Wang E service. Moirang SDO BDO CHO Morendo presented license of the showroom to proprietor of BR Motors P. Raju on the occasion. Results of State-Level National Talent Search Examination 2019 for Class 10, State Talent Search Examination 2019 for Class 9 and National Means Cum Merit Scholarship Examination 2019 for Class 8 is available at Department's website and on notice board of the Board of Directorate and Science Unit. Directorate of Education S. Manipur Lamphel Directorate of Education S in a press release also notified that National Talent Search Examination 2019 Stage 2 will be held on May 10th. And in sports news, Manipur will host the upcoming 26th National Thangta Championship from March 26 till 29. Huye Langlon Thangta Association of Manipur will organize the championship under the aegis of Thangta Federation of India at Kuman Lampak Sports Complex Indoor Stadium. Altogether, 750 Thangta players from across the country will compete in various Thangta's events, sub-junior, junior and senior boys and girls categories at the championship. More than 50 technical officials will also take part in the event. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today in Major Khul today, President of World Thangta Federation H. Prem Kumar urged Thangta enthusiasts and people of the state to extend their support and assistance in making the championship a success. Eminent members of Huyel Langlon Thangta Association of Manipur attended the press meet.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯡꯇꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯀꯣꯔꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯏꯀꯨꯟꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗ ꯆꯥꯏꯅꯥꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯀꯨꯡꯐꯨ ꯎꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯝꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯄꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯡꯇꯥꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯃꯔꯦꯛ ꯃꯍꯥꯎ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗꯩꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯂꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯁꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ CSO ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯣꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯜꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ.
Trao FC will face East Bengal FC in their home match of the ongoing 13th I-League season at Imphaal's Kuman Lampak Main Stadium at 5 p.m. tomorrow. Speaking to media at stadium today, coach of East Bengal FC, Mario Rivera, said Trao FC is a marvelous team, so his team will play tomorrow's match cautiously even though they have defeated Trao FC 2-1 in a previous match. Speaking to media, Trao FC coach L. Nandakumar said his players will put in their best efforts in tomorrow's match and all the forthcoming matches. However, added that their midfielder Falguni is under treatment, hence there might be some inadequacy. Coach Nandakumar said Falguni is healing from his injury and will join the team soon.
We know that Trao is better in home matches, but now this season East Bengal is also better in away matches, and it's the same. All of the matches in I-League are always tough, and tomorrow I know that Trao FC will be a difficult opponent for us. Home, away, whatever was the opponent, we have to try to win next match always. Team now is getting more balanced, taking more control of the matches.
Yam kanna hon da biya di haibagi wakhalon da players sing siga khoi yam cooperation laina yam hard work tawna kanna hona jari akoi level best ta kanna hona jari akoi leijari ba player local plus akoi da phangjari ba foreign gi adagi Indian khrasna akoi angam ba thak ta di akoi gi leiba budget sigadi phangiba rating si ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯏꯟꯠꯁꯤ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯉꯛꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛ ꯐꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯤꯝꯁꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯏꯀꯥꯏꯕꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ aduna yam kan hona jage leijari basna khoi emphasis su khra hena attacking the p na ba khoi yam hard work tong no kan di hona jari.
HM former President Nongthombam Rajendra encourages medical professionals and students to work diligently to bring advancement in medical field. He was speaking at the opening ceremony of annual sports meet at Saina Institute of Medical Science at Chinikon in Senapati district today. Students contingents of 4 houses took out the march past in the opening ceremony. Students competed in various sports events. Before we conclude, let's take a look at headlines once again. Manipur University community welcomes dismissal of Professor A.P. Pandey from the post of Vice Chancellor of Manipur University by President Kovind on MHRD's recommendation. CPI launches month-long mass campaign against Prime Minister Narendra Modi-led NDA government for allegedly challenging democracy, secularism and the country's constitution. IPR Minister Thongam Beswajit assures to take measures to revive State Institute of Journalism at the IPR complex Moirangkom once state's financial situation improves. Art and Culture Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayantakumar opens 14th Archives Week celebration at Gandhi Memorial Hall. And girl student of Ramnan Christian School allegedly threatened by one inspection team of HSL's examination 2020 on suspicion of impersonation lays unconsciousness at RIMS.